Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add an EMA in MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to Insert here at the top left. Click on it, Indicators, go to Trend, and choose Moving Average. Click on it, and now we have here the period. You have to choose the period you want. So I will choose, for example, the 20. Now here on method, make sure you choose exponential because EMA stands for exponential moving average, okay? So we have here close, don't change this one. We have style, this is for the color of your EMA. So I will choose, for example, yellow. And we have here the thickness of your EMA. So I will choose, for example, this one and click on OK. Now this is our 20 EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.